Hiya, welcome back to Armcandy. Thanks for joining us today. Today's bag is this gorgeous Spade Margaux in colourway Blush Multi. Now multi obviously because it's blush and it's got the other tones on it as well, but the blush bit of the bag is just such a beautiful warm colour. It's that gorgeous kind of beigey, pinky, just that warm tone in beautiful pebbled leather. It really is just gorgeous. So as I said, it's a Margaux, it's a size medium, and it's a crossbody convertible. So it's got the long strap that's adjustable and removable. So the little fastens have got Kate Spade on them. Okay, size-wise, the measurements are on the website. There's a link to that below. This will give you an idea. I'm about 5'4". This is on the medium setting, so it could be higher or lower depending on how tall you are or where you like your bag to sit. I'm a UK size 10, so that might put it into some sort of perspective. So on the front, you've obviously got Kate Spade New York, and there's also this flat pocket. This is a really good pocket, it goes right to the base of the bag. So that's a really useful addition for things that you just want to slip in there, maybe your phone or something like that, for when you're paying and stuff, but you can slip it in without having to undo the bag to get it out. And then zip top closure. Let's show you the zip pull. Which way do you want it? That way, I think. Okay. And inside, beautiful blush Kate Spade lining. It's got one flat pocket on the back with a little prested fasten there, which is what has the spade on. This is a really good sized pocket. Again, that goes right to the base of the bag. And then in front of that, you've got two card slots, which are quite generous card slots, really. You could fit other things in there other than your cards. So beautiful, beautiful. The condition of this bag is excellent throughout. The exterior is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition. And the hardware is in excellent condition. It's basically just a perfect little bag. And I just think it's so beautiful. It's got a lovely shape and structure to it, but that beautiful pebbled leather takes the kind of rigidness off it, if that makes sense. So it's going to keep its shape, but it's got that beautiful, beautiful blush leather. So there is a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below, go and have a look at it. Go and have a look at our other pre-owned luxury bags purses. We've got all sorts on there: Chanel, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Mulberry, Valentino. There's all kinds of bags. Go and have a look and see what we've got. And if you sign up to the newsletter on the website, you get 5% off your first purchase. So it's really worth signing up. Free newsletter and dead easy to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page on our website. There's a box. You put your email address in. Jobs are good and you've signed up. We will send you immediately your discount code that you can use. If for any reason it doesn't come through within a minute or two, check your spam folder. Sometimes they end up in there. So just check that if it doesn't come through into your inbox straight away. We have got a lot of gorgeous bags coming into Armcandy. So if bags are your thing, then this is a really good channel for you to subscribe to. So hit the bell. Myself and Izzy come on regularly and we do a bag description, so you get to see exactly what bags we have available on our website. So hit the bell, get set up with that, go and look at what else we've got on the website, subscribe to our newsletter, and either myself or Izzy will see you with our next bag.